How to send a picture as a snap from your camera roll through Snapchat. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you about a brand new method through which you guys can send your picture as a snap on Snapchat. Simply open up Snapchat on your phone, and once you have Snapchat opened up, simply click on the filters from the bottom right, then scroll up and then click on search, and then over here type in green screen. Now once you guys type in green screen from over here, simply open up the first filter, and then after that from over here just simply click on the bottom and choose the picture that you want to send. So let's say I want to send this picture. I will choose this picture, and then after that simply click on send to, and then from over here choose the person you want to send this particular snap to, then hit send, and now your snap has been sent. Now let's go over into the chat, and I will show you that the snap we sent actually went through as a snap. So over here, let me just back up. And now if I were to go to the chat, over here you can see that we actually sent a snap and not just a message. So guys, that is how you guys can send pictures as a snap from your camera roll. Thank you so much for watching guys. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.